How to fix taskbar on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video we are simply going to learn how we can fix if our taskbar has disappeared or not responding properly on the Windows 11. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, before trying to run any fixes on how we can fix it, we are simply going to restart and see if our problem has been fixed. So before trying any fixes, you want to simply try to restart. But before we do that, maybe our Windows keys aren't working on our taskbar. What you can do is simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once you press Windows key on your keyboard, here tap on the power button and then go ahead and simply tap on restart to restart your application or restart your Windows and see if the error has been fixed, because in most cases your PC could simply need a simple restart. Now if that solution worked for you, that is perfectly fine. If it didn't, the other thing we are going to do is simply open our task manager. So if you are not being able to go to taskbar settings from anywhere on the taskbar, what you can do is you want to press a shortcut, and that shortcut is Shift plus Ctrl plus Escape. So you want to press this three combination, Shift, Ctrl and Escape, and you will have successfully opened Task Manager right over here. So here you will see an app running called Windows Explorer. If you don't find this, you can also check it in the background processes, and if you don't find in the background processes as well, you can simply open any of the folder on your device, on your Windows, and check whether this Windows Explorer option is going to pop up or not. What you can do is simply right click on it, and then here you want to simply tap on Restart. So we are going to tap on restart our Windows Explorer, and you can see as you restart, it is going to refresh all of the taskbar on our Windows and all of the applications on our taskbar as well. So this solution will work for most people, and if this solution didn't work for you as well, the final solution we have is to simply check for updates. So what happens is that sometimes an update could fix most of your settings, most of the issues which has been previously damaged, and most of the software issues on your Windows. So even if all of the taskbar icons aren't working properly on device, in order to open settings, what you can do is you can simply press the Windows and I key combination. So go ahead and press Windows plus I, and you can see that we will have successfully opened our settings. Once we open settings, here at the bottom left, you can simply tap on Windows Update. Once you go to Windows Update, right over here, you want to simply tap on the Check for Updates button on the top right. Go ahead and check if your Windows does have an update available. If it has even the optional updates, then go ahead and install all of the updates which are available for your Windows, and this would usually fix most of your issues. So we hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. If you have any more questions, solutions and fixes, then make sure to also leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.